Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a special guest, and the special guest is sitting right here next to me, my dad. Hello, Daddy. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, Mona.
Today, I am going to ask you a few questions that my Instagram followers asked me to ask you.
Oh,
Okay? So, are we
okay.
ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Look at this. We have so many questions.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but we will not. I will not ask you all that. How was Jovita as a kid?
So loving.
Oh, I'm
So
not
sweet.
loving. Oh,
You, you are now also. Who said no?
Okay.
You are so cute and you're so loving.
oh. Thank you. No questions. Just stay healthy and blessed to you.
Oh, thank you.
What was Jovi like growing up?
Before teenager, you were fascinated going to the market all the time, holding my hands, pushing me to the shops,
I wanted Barbie dolls all the time.
and whenever you like a dress, you just pull on that dress and never move out.
Oops.
Grown up, you are always passion in beauties and earth, nature, and you always Animals, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's true. And whenever we go home, you will have 2 or 3 cow or calves in your hand, cats, dogs, all the things.
I used to pick up stray cats all the time. Sugamano uncle,
Sukham tanne.
what are the crazy things that his loving daughter did in her childhood?
But it's nothing called crazy. Had a love to crunch things.
Crunchy food.
Crunchy food. A little bit stubborn as well.
Please let him share his experience when random people look at him and says, "Hey, he's Jovi's father."
Oh, I'm proud.
You're
I'm proud all the time.
Oh. But you've been hearing that for a long time now, no?
Yes,
So now you're used to it.
Even when you are a child, you used to grab trophies and prizes. And when the people says it's her father, I'm feeling so proud.
Oh. Does he get mad receiving all your PR parcels that come home?
Not exactly. I'm not mad, but
Is it annoying?
sometimes it kept me busy, to be honest.
He's also the one who sends out all your giveaway gifts. So every time there's a giveaway, he's
I'm
the one
not-
who has to run behind.
So I'm not bored or I'm not pissed off with it.
Okay. Was baby Jovi always like this? I mean, little curious and naughty.
Oh, she was always naughty. She was curious as well, yeah.
And if I lost something, I remember, I would turn the whole house upside
Yes.
down. I couldn't lose anything. I would go crazy. Why did he name you Jovita?
That was something we were trying to have a beautiful name for her. We searched thousands and thousands of names. Finally, we find a joyful name.
Parambari or Neyappam?
You?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Parambari stands first, but her mother stands Neyappam first. I eat both.
What is your occupation?
I'm a retired person now. So before that, I was a contracts and procurement specialist in Dow and PIC, joint venture company in Kuwait called Equate. And after that, I had some business. Now I am doing business. I am a HDFC financial consultant. And I am doing some construction work. If any of you wants to make houses, I'm here. I have association of my Kuwait Returnees Forum. I'm the treasurer of it.
He has his own cultivation. He keeps making me eat all the bananas and tapiocas and...
So I'm keeping myself busy.
Were you there during the Kuwait invasion?
No, we were on leave, but we all were at home here.
Here. Most annoying habit of Jovita?
Irritating stubbornness.
Okay. How was it leaving Kuwait and settling in Kerala after all these years?
Well, leaving Kuwait was something little difficult for us. Leaving the country, we lived more than half of our life. Lot of moments, nostalgia. We had a little bit of homesickness.
Transition.
Yeah, but now I'm happy here. I've learned to be with my motherland.
How was Jovi in her studies? Was she lazy?
She was lazy and she is too, but whenever she wants to do it, she used to do it. and she's very clever. She had a good academic records, high grades all the time.
What is your all-time best advice to me?
I always say stand alone, be of your own, be yourself. Don't compare. Look down with hatred, look up with grudge. No, it is not right.
Yeah. Any naughty or funny childhood story of yours? I think she meant mine, but I think yours would be more fun.
There are many.
Yes, many. We have heard it a million times.
I don't know which one I should say.
Yup.
My mother is always petting me like, anything. She wants me all the time studying, going to church. But I used to play, I used to go and hang my legs on the mango trees and stay upside down.
What? Why?
Yeah.
And you blame us for being naughty, Daddy. He was a very, very naughty child.
Not that naughty.
No. That is why my brother is this naughty. What was your feeling when you first held me in your arms?
Oh.
Because she's pregnant and she's curious to know how she will feel when she holds her baby for the first time.
Oh, that was like a feeling in heaven.
Oh, but should you remember or did you actually
Yes.
forget?
No, I still remember.
Were you scared?
No. Looking at your eyes, very, very, very magic moments.
You still remember?
Heavenly, blissful moments.
Wow. I can't ask you all the questions because there are too many questions. So I'm just
Okay.
picking through a few. Your first thought about your daughter doing makeup, YouTube, fashion as a career?
I wanted you to be an engineer.
I am an engineer.
You are an engineer. And you.
I did that for you.
No, I asked you what is your taste.
Remember, I wanted to join in fashion
You-
technology.
You had selected fashion technology, you have architectural, you
Yeah.
have gone for many things,
Yeah.
but finally we end up in
Engineering.
Yeah, I wish you were working or want you to work as an engineer and specialized in some fields, but this I thought it should be a part-time job. But you just reversed it. This became.
My
And if
main
I ask you something engineering, you know nothing now.
You don't have to tell them that.
Oh, sorry. I mean, if you refresh yourself, maybe. You lost the touch, right?
I did. What was your parenting mantra to bring up these amazing personalities? She asked in plural, so I'm assuming she's calling Gilda and Joel also amazing personalities.
Yes.
My siblings.
They are.
They are.
Mantra on a family life is love. Give and take love. I always say, and I believe, we are all little people, and with little things makes life so. I all made you to be like that. I'm sure all of my children, all three of you, can stand of your own. Any level or any worst thing happens, you all stand. I'm sure of it.
Yes, that is correct. Do you think Jovi has made all the correct choices in life so far? Ooh.
Well, I don't know really, but I think she is. Each individual have, its own right and wrongs. Like a coin has got two sides, Whenever people say, oh, I'm doing right, maybe it's for you, it's right. For me, it's wrong. I mean, selecting your career, you are an individual. You are supposed to be standing alone, taking decisions. So I don't want to spoon feed you on any of those things,
Do you like Jovita doing makeup? What color do you think suits more for her?
All colors suits her.
Very cosmetic question.
Yes,
Is your dad okay with not having any grandkids from you?
I'm not okay. When the time comes, it will come.
Yes.
I believe in God.
Yes. Your life experience and what you learned from it. It's a deep question.
Oh, that is, I need a big book to be told.
To write it all
Yes.
down. This is what he tells us when we have breakfast and dinner. Story times with daddy.
Be honest, be sincere. Good ethics can make you grow like anything. And I think I did that.
I will ask you 2 more questions.
Okay.
Okay?
You are making me,
But now you're comfortable, no?
I'm okay, but I don't know what is. It
These
is
are
not,
not-
ready-made answers. Whatever comes from my mind, I'm
That's
telling,
why I didn't tell you because I wanted it to be genuine answers.
Yeah.
I didn't tell him at all what we are doing. He had no idea. Okay. The moment when you were so angry at her.
Usually I don't get angry, but I get angry with your mother. And that doesn't last for long, but I will keep acting.
And now, last and final question, Daddy. What is the best thing about having a daughter? He has 2 daughters and 1 son. So, what is the best thing about having a daughter?
Joel should not hear this.
I'll block him from this video.
No. It's not the question of. They are more loving, but it doesn't mean Joel does not love me. He loves me a lot. And even he tells me everything before or after,
The question is not about Joel. The question is about the daughters.
Yeah. I don't feel anything extra thing, but still they are loved.
Okay. That's it, Daddy. All the questions are done.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. So I can go?
No.
Enda Thangamme.
So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you had fun meeting my dad and asking him a couple of questions. And thank you so much for joining me, Daddy.
Okay. Thank you.
You have anything else to say to them?
Keep cool.
You want to bore them anymore?
No.
So thank you once again, Daddy, for joining me.
Thank you all. Thank you, Jokmola. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Anyways, thank you, guys.